Prosecutors in Boone County have filed criminal charges against a Whitestown man after a shooting left a housekeeper dead. It is our top story tonight. I'm Birshel Edney.
And I'm Dan Spieler. After much debate, Kurt Anderson is now in custody tonight and charged with voluntary manslaughter. Prosecutors claim the suspect believed his home was being broken into and fired a single shot through his locked front door while standing at the top of the stairs. That shot killed Maria Florinda Rios Perez de Velasquez, who'd gone to the wrong address by mistake. The prosecutor insists the shooter's actions weren't reasonable in this case.
What we're saying is that the stand your ground law does not apply in this case, as Mr. Anderson did not have proper information which would allow him to make the determination that he was reasonable in his actions.
Anderson is now being held without bond at the Boone County Jail pending his initial court hearing.
This evening, there is a lot of reaction to that charging decision, including from the suspect's lawyer and the victim's family.
Tonight, Fox 59's Max Lewis tells us what both sides are saying now.
Tonight, the family of Maria Florinda Rios Perez de Velasquez still heartbroken over her tragic killing, but got their first piece of good news since that fateful day.
This is an important step towards accountability, truth, and justice.
The Boone County prosecutor charging Kurt Anderson for shooting Maria through his front door after the cleaning woman showed up at the wrong home.
She was simply arriving to clean a home. She was doing her job, supporting her family, and contributing to her community.
The family's attorney, Alex Lamontes, saying while the criminal case plays out, he and his team are focused on getting justice on the civil side, filing a claim with Anderson's home insurance company, seeking compensation for the loss of the family matriarch.
I can't change the bad thing that happened to them, but I can sure as hell try to get them some compensation, some fair compensation.
As for Anderson, he has hired prominent Second Amendment attorney Guy Relford, who said in a statement, quote, "While we are disappointed that the Boone County Prosecutor's Office has elected to file criminal charges against Mr. Kurt Anderson, I look forward to proving in court that his actions were fully justified." Relford taking issue with the prosecutor's determination that Indiana's stand your ground law does not apply, saying, quote, "Mr. Anderson's actions are being unfairly judged based on facts that were unknowable to him as events unfolded that early morning. The law does not allow a criminal conviction based on hindsight." While that will be decided in court, the family's attorneys say this whole thing is about public safety.
That bullet could have just as easily missed her and hit a kid across the street waiting at the school bus stop or playing in their front yard. It's about safety. We deserve to live in a place where we can feel safe.
Lamonte says if the insurance company denies that claim, the next step is going to be filing a civil suit against that insurance company. They say while nothing can bring Maria back, it can at least be something for her family to compensate them for their priceless loss. In downtown Indianapolis, I'm Max Lewis, Fox 59 News.